Yeah.
Are the but I'm gonna look.
Yo. We Wonka. Wonka.
All right.
Wonka.
Hey you guys.
Wonka.
So today we have a lifevac. My mom told me about this device, and she said people keep it in their car, people keep it in their house, so you can get like 2 of these devices. So let's walk through this today with Joe.
But anyway, so you're gonna come and get inside the package. It's gonna have a plunger, and it has great suction. You have a practice mask.
Which these masks, to me, they look like the breast pump
Yeah, go ahead and fill it out and show them.
cups. Okay, yeah, we can open the practice
Yeah,
mask.
go ahead and open it up and show them. And then you have your adult and you have a kid cup also.
And this is the adult one that you can practice with.
So basically you get this, stick it in there, and you can.
Oh my gosh. It's really strong, y'all.
So it's got plenty of suction. Yeah. So I think, if you got situation with people that may choke themselves or end up choking, you definitely want to have one of these handy. Anything you want to say about this?
I mean, do you want to try practicing, or you think it's too powerful?
I'm not putting this back. I'm not putting this on my
This
face.
thing, you guys, is super freaking powerful.
I'm not putting that on my face.
And I'm like, it is super freaking powerful.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even practice, with it.
I mean.
Yeah, you can just see how strong it is.
And it's not letting go. So.
Now it comes with a practice cup, the adult cup, and it comes with a pediatric cup for kids. And they don't want you to open up these cups until necessary.
But if you do actually open one up, you want to look at it, inspect it, whatever, fine. The packs come with like little holes already in them, so they're not vacuum sealed or anything. So you can open it, inspect, look at it, and set it back up with tape if you want to, or just hold it closed. But I thought I'd put that in there also. Seems like it's like some type of, this is airfield, kind of like airfield. Yeah.
I don't know what you mean by airfield.
It's for a good tight seal. Yeah.
Okay.
It's air in there.
It kind of, it's kind of like a puffy.
Yeah, it's air in there.
It's not like those oxygen masks you get at the hospital. And like, this is not medical advice. These are just items you can get off of Amazon. And they're not medical devices. Let's see what it says. They want you to... They tell you about some of the signs of choking in an adult: turning blue, clutching the throat, or pointing to your throat, and then being suddenly unable to talk. And I didn't know about these devices 20 years ago, so I'm thinking these are a new device. They really want you to use a hard, flat surface with your hand on the mask. Hold it in place and depress the handle. Once the handle is depressed, pull handle upward with a short, swift tug while holding mask firmly in place. Why would they want you to place it on the floor? What do you think that's about? That's for the practice mask. Does not need to be completely inserted into the unit. And they say this is not a toy. They're out of New York, so this is an American brand. Anything else, Joe?
Yeah. It kind of reminds me of a toilet plunger.
And you don't have to use that much force even to get any type of suction. So, like weaker hands and stuff, people like that can use it.
Yeah, I mean, you can literally like just squeeze down on this thing and get it to work. So yeah, it's a nice design. Like I say, it's got a lot of suction, so just be aware. But other than
When
that,
you practice. So, I mean, we don't really recommend that you even practice with this thing over your mouth and nose because it will like take your breath away.
you know,
Are you done? That shit. These are the exact instructions. Follow current choking protocol and dial 911. Insert the mask into the unit with a firm twisting motion. Place mask over the nose and mouth. Holding mask in place with one hand and chin held upward. Push handle down with the other to compress the unit. Once handle is depressed, pull handle upward and short swift tug. Roll person on side and sweep the mouth to clear any debris. Yeah. These are the indications for use on the lifevac. It's non-powered, non-invasive, single use only. The lifevac is not equipped on anyone under 22 pounds and it is registered with the FDA. You have to follow the current choking protocols first, and if you are not successful with those, then you should put the person on the floor to try to remove the food. Those current choking protocols would be the Heimlich maneuver. You should try that first. Okay, guys. We're going to be talking about a lifevac, and it is a life-saving device for your child, and we think it will really help. This is a lighting test, and these chairs are horrible. This is a lighting test. It needs to be a chair that doesn't move. And it is a microphone test. I want to see if this microphone makes it to pick up any loud. Okay. Hey there, you guys. All right, this test is from lifevac. They have training videos. They want you to go to www.lifevac.net. This company is out of New York, and today Joe is going to help me figure out how to put this together. Now, they have contraindications for use. Do not use if the patient has hypersensitivity to plastic. LifeVac is not equipped for persons suffering from head, neck, facial, or back trauma and PVC allergies. So, I don't know what PVC is. And this is not medical advice. This is just some equipment that we found that is available on Amazon for anybody to get, and we have it in our house because we have a toddler in the house. So we got these scissors and we're going to be getting this thing open.